Today we see engineering graphics subject. Okay, in engineering graphics subject, the projection of solids. Okay, we will see about the one problem for projection of solids. Okay, first read the problem. A hexagonal prism of side of base 25 mm and axis 50 mm long is freely suspended from a corner of one end such that its axis is parallel to the vertical plane. The axis is parallel to VP. Okay, draw its projection by change of position method. Okay, this is a problem. Okay, first read the problem and take a given data. Okay, that's the shape is a hexagonal prism. Side is a 25 mm. The side is a 25 mm. The next height is a axis height is a 50 mm. Okay, in this problem, this is a freely suspended. Okay, freely suspended. Okay, so using a formula for freely suspended. Okay, that is a h by 2. H means that is a height divided by 2. That is height is a 50 mm. So 50 by 2 is equal to 25 mm. So freely suspended distance is a 25 mm. Okay, first to draw the hexagon. Okay, in this problem freely suspended. So to draw a hexagon corner position. Okay, to draw a hexagon corner position. Okay, size is a 25 mm. Okay, to take a template or using a compass, first to draw the hexagon. Okay, hexagon 25 mm. Okay, 10, 15, 20, 25. So mark 25 mm distance. Okay, first to draw the 25 mm distance line. Join the lines, join the points, so you will get hexagon. That is a corner position. Okay, I use a template. Template use பண்ணி நான் join பண்ணிருக்கேன். Okay, you will follow circle method also to draw the hexagon. Okay, the next to mark the letters. Okay, there is a B, C, D, E, F. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, right. The next, project the height. Okay, this height is a 50 mm. Height is a 50 mm. So project the height 50 mm. First, to draw these lines. Each corner points extended up to center line. Sorry, reference line. Okay. So you will get base of the hexagon prism. This is the base of the hexagon prism. Okay, this is the base. So mark the letters. That is a B, C, D, E, F. That is a base. Next to project the height. Height is a 50 mm. So 50 mm height. Project a height 50 mm from reference line. Okay, so you will get the top. After completion of the height, you will get top. Okay, the next to project this in between lines. Okay, right. Then next to mark the letters, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. Okay, base is a B, C, D, F, and top is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right. The next second stage over. Okay, the next is a freely suspended. Freely suspended distance is a 25 mm. Okay. Freely suspended distance is here 25 mm. Next to draw the center line. First draw a center of the hexagon. Okay, this is the center line of the hexagon. Okay, the next now to draw the freely suspended line, this distance is a 25 mm. To take a compass to measure a distance 25 mm. Measure a distance 25 mm. 25 mm. 25 mm distance. The next to from reference line or top of the hexagon, that is a center line. Okay, to mark the 25 mm distance. Mark the 25 mm distance. Mark the 25 mm distance. Next to mark the distance 25 mm distance, letter G. Okay, to join this G to A, any one corner side, A or D. Okay, G to A, G to A. This is the freely suspended line, G to A. Okay, the next second stage over. The next to measure the distance A to G, this distance A to G, measure this distance A to G. Okay, to fix the point, to fix any one point, this is the A, this is the point A. Okay, the next to draw a one vertical line, to draw a one vertical line. Okay, the next to cut the arc. Okay, distance is A to G, distance from A. Okay, this is the point, this is the point G. Okay, these 2 points only available, A and G only available. Then the remaining D, 4, 1 drawn. Okay, how to draw these remaining portions? The next to measure the distance A to D. Measure the distance A to D. Measure the distance A to D from A. A to cut the arc. The next to measure the distance G to D. G to D. Measure a distance G to D. Next to cut the arc from G. Cut the arc from G. So you will get, that is a letter D. You will get D. So join these lines, join these points. This is a to D. The next to draw the lines. Okay, A to 1. A to 1 is, this is this line. This line is a perpendicular line from AB, AD. This is the base. In this base, this line is a perpendicular. So 90 degree line to draw this. Okay, to draw a 90 degree line in this point also, A and D. -90° line. Okay. This line length is a 25 mm. This line length is a 50 mm height. Height is a 50 mm. Okay, measure this height 50 mm. Okay, so you will get D opposite is a 4. Okay, A opposite is a 1. A opposite is a 1. Okay, to join these lines. Okay, the next to draw in between this center, in between centers from A to B, A to B, 1, 2, 4, the next center not enough, and the next is A to C, A to C, next 1 to 4 in between distance. The next one is center also mark, so center also mark. Okay, join these lines. This is the center. The center is correctly coincide to G point. Okay, the next to mark the letters. Okay, this is the A, D in between A. This is the B, C, D, and E, F. Okay, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, right. The next, project the horizontal lines and vertical lines. Okay, these sides are horizontal line and these sides are vertical downward direction lines. Okay, these sides are horizontal direction. From these points are downward direction. Each points, the first to mark the top. Okay, the next base. Okay, the next to mark the points. Okay, this is the A. This the line is A. The next to B, the next to C, the next to, this is the point D, this is the point E, the next to this is the point F. F, right. The next to join the 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the point 1. Next this is the point 2, and the next 3, the next one is a 4, the next one is a 5 and 6. Okay, just assume from top view, okay, this is a ABCD is a full and full visible, ABCD fully visible. So to join these lines, ABCD full visible lines. This ABCD is a full and full visible line. Okay. From bottom is a 1 to 6 only visible. Okay, 1 to 6 only visible lines. 1 to 6 only visible. Then remaining portion is invisible. Okay. The next to connect the longer edges, A to 1 is visible. A to 1 visible line. So you will dot lines. Next B to 2. B to 2 is a dot line. Next F to 6. F to 6 also dot line. The next remaining portion is here. E to 3 is E to 3. C to 3, the next E to 5. Okay, the next D to 4 only invisible. This line D to 4 only invisible. Okay, D to this bottom of the axis line, D to 4 only invisible. Okay, this is the final drawing. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.